Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw Sereia from Stumble Guys. What an awesome new mythical character, and I'm going to show you how to draw her in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. I hope you guys can follow along and have some fun. Let's start drawing. Let's start with some construction lines first. I'm just going to place where her head is going to go, and then where her neck is going to be, her shoulder, an arm there, and then her other arm is going to be down there, and she's got this top on like so, comes down and around there, and then she's got a V-shaped V-line there, and then this is like the mermaid tail part, her bottom piece. Now that I've constructed her up, I'm going to draw her in. Okay, I'm going to start with her chin line. So it comes down, across, around, and up. Now she's got a piece of hair that comes in here and around. And then she's got some other bits of hair that come around. Her hair comes down and out, and here comes out and up like that. Now I'm going to put her eyes on. She's looking more towards this way, so I'm going to put one of her eyes on, a tall oval shape with an eyelash. Then on this side we're going to do the same, tall oval shape with an eyelash coming up. Now we're going to draw her neck, so bring her neckline down and around like this, back up. And she's got this collar that comes around, like so. And it comes down and into her, and then forms part of her top. Comes down there, around like that, back up. You guys are having fun at home, following along. She's a pretty cool character, nice mermaid character. So even if you don't play the game and you like mermaids, this is a good place to start. And then we're going to bring her shoulder out from here, and it comes down her arm. Now she's got this cool wristband on, like a lot of the characters on Stumble Guys do. There's the wristband, top. And then she's got these three bits on there. Her arm comes up and in, like that. Now her thumb comes across, and her hand around like that. Now she's got this part that comes down, and back and around like this. Comes into there. Then we've got her bottom part coming around like this, and back in. Now her hand, this one you sort of see a little bit of. Her wrist guard curves up for this side, like that. Top, bottom bit. Again, 1, 2, 3. And then her arm comes in and her shoulder around like this. Bring this part out. Now she's got all these patterns on here which we can put on later on. Let's finish off the rest of her hair now. Comes in, up there. She's got this big bit that comes over. Curves around like this. With another bit that comes up and over like that. Got this little piece here. This forms part of her hair. Now her head comes up there. Now let's draw the rest of her hair over this side. So it comes, she's got this bit that comes out fairly wide and then comes back into there like that. And then we have this part comes back up to there. Then we have another piece that looks similar to that one. 1, 2, 3 lines coming back in there. It's going to outline her with a thicker outline. Hope you guys are having fun at home. I'm sure you are.